Hello, I'm Jonathan Rothenbush. I head up the fabrication division for Bulldog Batteries here at our North facility. Today we wanted to introduce you to the process, get you a little more familiar with what we're capable of beyond just battery trays. Today in front of the office of our design engineer who has over 20 years experience. Our core team has been together over 20 years. My production manager has been here over 20 years. Any challenging fabrication needs that you have, again, this team is more than capable of helping, working with your team to get you what you need. After engineering, we come back here to our 12 kilowatt laser. We can do complex designs, as you can see behind me, logos, lettering, whatever you need, complex trays for batteries, and we're up for the challenge. From forming, we go to assembly. We have a robotic welder that does 90% of our welds, but before that, we do tack weld here at assembly. We get within 1/16 of an inch tolerance, so we're constantly measuring, making sure that we're within that tolerance to deliver high quality product. The robot behind me is what helps deliver rapid precision delivery for us. What does that mean for you? That means 30% faster return time. You get it on time, if not sooner. Also, deeper penetrating welds so that the quality of the product and strength is there for you. From the robotic welder, we move here to grinding. Grinding a smooth surface around those welds. That smooth surface also helps the paint to adhere to the tray or any other products that we manufacture for you. After your product leaves our industrial washer, it comes to our full-size powder coat booth behind me, where we can do a plethora of colors. Traditionally, we do a black powder coat because it's durability and scratch resistance. We get with your sales rep, because we have a branded power program. They can talk to you through, we can get whatever color you desire. From powder coat, we come to quality. We've developed a unique 60-point inspection list for every product. Here at Bulldog, have a standard of delivering product within 1/16 of an inch. After we've done those inspection lists, making sure that the paint is quality, we prep the tray, deliver it to our south plant so that they can insert the battery. I hope you enjoyed today learning more about what we do here in the fabrication division at Bulldog Battery. If you have any questions, reach out to your sales team. We'd be more than happy to walk you through any questions you might have.